Now, when it comes down to your dispute letters, because you said too for a closed account, I don't know what type of account this is, but literally don't overthink it. When it comes down to removing accounts from your credit reports, sometimes the account like clearly should be removed, but sometimes you like, ooh, I just hope it get removed because it's messed up. But it's like I messed up more by not paying it. If you have one of them accounts where it's like I really do owe them money right now still, and I just want them to get it removed, so I want them to remove it so I can move on with my life. And then go the regular course of just filling in that account on that letter, like just put the account name on that letter and call it a day, and then send in all of the letters in order. Just do that, like literally. I showed you guys how to do the dispute letters. And again, I'll do it again for you guys. I'll pull up a credit report. I'll pull up a credit report and we'll do it together. But just literally add that account name to a letter. Start with letter number 1 and put that account name on it and then send it off. And I'm telling you, I usually don't even like to talk to clients. And you guys probably realize that too. I'm sorry. But you guys, I really don't like to talk to anybody before we see those first results. Less than a round 1 letter, because I'm seeing bankruptcies get removed just with the letter I have. Bankruptcies get removed. It's the letter I use. Bankruptcies, student loans being removed just off the first round of letters. And what if you come to me saying, hey, I got this bankruptcy on my credit report. It's really bothering me and I can't do anything with it, and we were to remove it because it's inaccurate, right? It's inaccurate. And we talking all about this account. We spending 30 minutes on this one account and then next month it's just removed. We should just wait, because usually after your first month, we'll see which accounts are easy to get removed. They're just going to come off regardless. If you would have sent a letter, anybody would send a letter, they would have came off, right? That's what we want to see. So send out that first round of letters, see if the account will come off. If not, throw that account name on the second letter, mail it off. The third letter, mail it off. I'm telling you, I remember when I had accounts on my credit reports, like collection companies. And some of these collection companies, when I try to dispute them for some of the clients now, they're kind of different. They playing a little hardball now. Maybe they got a little smarter, but the collection company, they would not remove it. They will not remove it. And then the credit bureau, especially Experian, y'all probably got the letter, Experian saying that unless you come up with new information, we are not going to investigate this account anymore. I know you guys probably didn't see that letter, most likely. When I tell you I sent another letter the next, I was like crying, like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna remove it. This is years ago, but I was going through that. I was crying about it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're not gonna remove it. And I listened to somebody, and they was like, I just been persistent. I don't care if they tell me no, I just keep doing it. And I'm like, what? So I sent out another letter, and that account was removed. So just be persistent with that account. When I tell you these are the letters, just send out, go ahead and add the account name to that letter and just mail it out. You'll be good.